If you're getting ready to take the Florida Gypsum Drywall Contractor exam and you want to pass on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this license actually covers, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. Both exams are open book, but don't let it fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently, so let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Florida Gypsum Drywall Contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Florida prep materials towards the end of the short video. So the Florida Gypsum Contractor is a licensed specialty contractor regulated by the Florida Construction Industry Licensing Board, authorized to install and finish gypsum, drywall, and metal stud systems. It's going to include drywall and metal stud systems, taping, texturing and finishing, and sealing grid systems. It doesn't include plastering, block, or wood partitions. This license is specific to gypsum, drywall, and the metal framing systems that support it, and it's going to be licensed statewide through the Florida DBPR. You're going to have two exams. The first exam likely you're going to take is going to be the business and finance exam, and you're going to take that 120 questions, 6.5 hours, and that's going to cover establishing the business, administrative duties, trade operations, accounting, human resources, and government regulations. Next, you're likely going to take the gypsum drywall trade exam. That's going to be 80 questions, and you'll have 5 hours for that exam. That's going to cover gypsum and wallboard installation, taping and texturing, metal stud walls, and sealing grid systems and special applications. Both exams are open book and computer-based through Pearson VUE, and you need a 70% passing score on each one to get licensed. So the exam is open book, which means your score depends on how well you know your references, not the content itself. So here's what you're allowed to bring into the trade exam. You got the ASTM C840, the ASTM C1047, the ASTM C1396, the Gypsum Contract Construction Handbook, the OSHA 29 CFR 1926, and the Florida Contractor Manual. You're going to want to get your books tabbed and highlighted well before exam day. That's what turns open book from a safety net into your biggest advantage. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting, realistic time practice questions, and learning which book answers which question. If your exam is coming up, practice under real-time pressure and train your hands to find answers automatically. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. We've got the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step. The book set is going to include the official reference materials to proof the exam. The Highlight and Tab book set is going to give you your books professionally highlighted and tabbed ready for exam day. The book rental is going to give you the professionally highlighted and tabbed books with the access to the course, and you're going to be able to return those books and get a refund for some of that deposit. Next will be the ultimate package, which is going to combine the Highlight and Tab books with the book course and the rental, and we're going to give you the live class as well as the application service. And finally, the one package is going to give you everything we just talked about, but also set up your business for you. So use code FL10GYP at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you set up your prep correctly and train for speed, passing the Florida Gypsum Drywall Contractor exam on the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through both exams faster, check out oneexamprep.com. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor licensing videos, and we'll see you.